Yeah.
Okay, start window.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, great. So let's start. And today we'll discuss about symmetry and targets. So you guys have already seen this structure: high, low, higher, high, lower, low. And when price goes back to this LSK, like this, price goes up, then comes down. So what will be the safest target as per symmetry? Our safest target will be this low. This one will be safest target. Okay. So whenever we are entering here at QML level or LSK level, the price will come back to this low. Let's annotate this: high, low, higher, high, and this will be lower low, and this is our LSK. Okay. Why this happened? This happened due to the symmetry. Price goes back to the shoulder and comes down to from where, from, look at this, price goes up, reach to this level and comes down to this level. Okay, so in future when price goes back again to kink of this level, most probably this will come down to this low again. This is called, this we call symmetry, and the target is set by using this method for LSKs, for left shoulders using their LSKs. Okay, so let's see in complex structures how, like this, think like this, price is moving like high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, low, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, and then what happens, price comes down and then goes back to this LSK and then comes down, then goes back to this LSK and then comes down, then goes back to this LSK, then comes down, then goes back to this LSK and then comes down, like this. So what does this mean? If price is hitting the LSK, even if price did not cross to the low of this, the price will go back to this kink, react to this, and you see a uh, lower time frame setup here. So the price will come to this lowest target, then price goes back to this kink. Let's color this kink as this one, will be much better. It's much better. Okay, so when price goes back to this, goes back to this kink, this one kink, goes up, comes down, where is the safest? target here, and then price comes back again to this king. Where is the safest target? Safest target will be here. Okay. When price goes to this LSK, this king, it will come down to this. When you keep trading and when you get some experience, you will see these things happening in the market. Okay, so let's mark this using, let's mark this like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and these lows as 5. Don't do this 5, let's do it as a complete swing from here to here. This swing will be one swing and we will denote it 1, 1 and 1, like this. 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so when price goes to hit, now you can see this much more clearly, hitting the LSK of 4, coming down to the low of 4, hitting LSK of 3, coming down to low of 3, hitting LSK of 2, coming down to low of 2, hitting LSK of 1, coming down to low of 1. Okay, this is how symmetry works in the market, and this is how we set its targets. Okay, any question? Do you guys have any
No,
question?
No.
no, it's clear enough.
Okay, so let's go to the chart and find some examples. Let's delete this and go to the chart on 15 minutes. Okay, look at this example, like this. Look at this move. Price goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down till here, then goes up and then comes down here. So what is happening here? When price is hitting LSK, where is the LSK? This one is LSK. This LSK, hitting this LSK, coming down to this will be our safest target. Okay, and then price goes to this LSK. This one is also moved here, like this. Okay. Then price goes to this LSK. What happened here? Price cross, this is LSK, full LSK like this. And if we look at the kink only here, the only kink here is this one. Only kink is this one. Okay, let's delete this so you can understand it clearly. But what happened here, price goes up and came down, and we see a bearish structure here after price crossing this low, this low. This one break this LSK to upside, and then price came back and break this low. Price goes up and comes down. What will be the minimum safest target? This one. So if you are entering here, the safest target will be here. Let's delete this and let's find another example. Look at here. Price goes up, comes down, and goes up. Then comes down, goes up, comes down, then goes up and comes like this. And where is the king? King is here. This one is the king. You can find. Price comes down, goes up, comes down. The final king is here. So when price goes up, this one, this move breaks this to upside and then comes down to downside, breaking it here. Whatever entry we will take here, our target, safest target will be low of this. Here, safest target is here. Okay, let's find another example. Hit the LSK here. No, this is not clear example. Like this. Look at here. Comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Then goes up, comes down. Okay, so look at this LSK. This one. Price hit this LSK, going up. After hitting this LSK, what will be the minimum target? This one. The safest target will be this. From here to here. Okay, any question? Any question, guys?
No.
No. I have a question. We just use symmetry for exiting, or sometimes we can use it for entering to the price. I mean,
Of
to
course,
a position.
entry and exit both.
Both of them.
Okay. Yes.
Mhm.
You see this? If price is hitting this LSK like this, like this, price is hitting this LSK. So we are entering here. What we will do? We will use PA for entry. We will not entry blindly here. PA for entry. Once we will use this setup is for trading at looking for zones at higher time frame and trading at lower time frame. For example, what we are doing here, this is we are at 15 minutes time frame, so let's go to 3 minutes time frame and see if data is available here. No, let's go to 5 minutes. Yes. Okay, so let's find a entry on lower time frame. What is here? We see a low, high, lower low and higher high. So what is our LSK? Our LSK will be like, okay, like this. Price came back, but what happened here? Price did not reach to this LSK. Just to forward, same again. Price did not reach to this LSK. Okay, so why this did not reach to this LSK? We have another king here. Low, high, low, high, low. The price is hitting this king. If you see here like this, sometimes this happen and it is very frustrating. Price came low, goes up, came low, goes up, came low, goes up, came low, and then goes up like this. So what is happening here? Price is hitting this internal king. Internal like instead of this, price hit this. Okay. Price came down, hit this one, goes up. What will be the minimum target? What will be the minimum target? this high, the safest target will be this. High, price makes low, goes make this high. Okay, this will be like this. The safest target will be here. 1:4. Let's see. Okay, any other question? Any other question, guys?
No. Again, this, Aaron, this is the same as the scale that we had last session, right? We're using the lower time
Yes.
frame and taking the target is the swings
Scale.
of the higher time.
The just difference between both setup is in scale we cross the low or high, but in
Oh, yes.
symmetry we are not discussing about low or high.
Oh,
We are
really? Yes, yes,
discussing
yes.
about hitting the LSK. If we are hitting the LSK, means high of the shoulder level, the price is coming to the low of the relative swing. Okay, I will just
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
describe the difference here. In LSK, what we will do? In a scale, this will happen like. Okay, price will come down, first cross this low, then goes back to LSK, comes down, goes back to this LSK, comes down, take this low, goes back to this LSK, then comes down, and when this breaks to this low, the scale will change and price go back to this, and then comes like, okay. Right, so in a scale, to change the scale, the price needs to engulf the low. Okay, but in symmetry this is not happening. In symmetry, what is happening? Like this. Next low goes up, then goes up, and goes up, comes down, did not cross the low, but goes back to the LSK and creates a BA setup here. That means price will come down to here at least. Okay, do you see this difference?
Yeah, that's right.
This low is
Yeah.
not broken yet. So everything is part of the, everything is piece of the whole puzzle. Okay, like this. Sometimes this happens. So this is useful when we don't have an engulf. We don't break, but still price is going in one direction and hitting our LSK or the other area and coming down again. So we can use this technique to enter the market. And also our target is very clear. So no guessing here. Okay guys, any question?
No.
No. Okay, so if there is no question, let's close the session.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, Aaron.
Yes.
Right. We had a particular chart that created it split our practicing group that we really wanted to hear your opinion. I think Paddington or Shadow can maybe share that particular graph that had split our decision yesterday.
Okay, send the chart to Telegram group and I will pull here and then explain